Okanagan 80S truck camper. Short box. Comes with the dog. Spaces. More storage up here. Fan. Nice lighting. Decent sized fridge and freezer. More storage up here. I'm not going to do it, but this whole section pulls down and becomes a bunk. I can't remember what the load is, but you know, it's not for me. This is, you know, table and stuff like that. It sits right here. This comes up. So you have, it's not bad seating. Fit definitely for adults here. Maybe more if you squeeze. Nice kitchen area. Like, I like how these two windows are right here. There's the kid. Hey, I'm recording a video. Do you mind having him be quiet for a little bit? Stove, oven, microwave. Over here, turn the pump off. Here we have the bathroom. It's a wet bath. There's a shower. Furnace. It's on her now. It's really pleasant. I'm gonna turn you off actually. And yeah, so this is a truck camper. It's definitely a good size. Yeah, so I mean, I'm standing, and they're still good. What, 3-4 inches above me, so it's perfect.